10 strategies to deal with misinformation and fake news. The first one, verify the source. Misinformation and fake news. Very, very important point. That is spread without the intent to deceive. Deliberately false or misleading information created to deceive people. To deceive people for political, financial, or ideological reasons. These are the reasons behind all this. Third example, 5G and coronavirus conspiracy 2020. The second of the 4 challenges, misinformation and fake news. Misinformation and fake news. What is misinformation? Misinformation refers to false or misleading information. False or misleading information that is spread without the intent. Without the intent to deceive. Very, very important point. That is spread without the intent to deceive. People may share it unknowingly. Unknowingly, believing it to be true. Very, very important point. Believing it to be true. What is fake news? Fake news is deliberately false. Deliberately false or misleading. Deliberately false or misleading information created to deceive people. To deceive people for political, financial, or ideological reasons. These are the reasons behind all this. Which reasons? Political, financial, ideological. It often spreads rapidly on social media. Real life examples of misinformation and fake news. First example, COVID-19 misinformation. It's about 2020-21. Fake claim, fake claim, drinking hot water or eating garlic can cure COVID-19. Can cure COVID-19. Reality. Reality. The WHO and medical experts confirmed that these remedies do not cure COVID-19. Impact. Impact. People ignored proper medical advice and delayed seeking. Delayed seeking professional treatment. Second example, 2020 US presidential elections. Fake claim. Widespread voter fraud. Widespread voter fraud changed the election results. Reality. Investigations and audits found no significant voter fraud. Impact. This misinformation led to protests and political instability, including the US Capitol riot on January 6, 2021. Third example, 5G and coronavirus conspiracy 2020. Fake claim. 5G mobile networks spread COVID-19. Reality. No scientific evidence links 5G technology to the virus. Impact. Some people vandalized 5G towers, causing disruptions in communication services. Fourth example, deepfake videos of public figures. Example, in 2018, a fake video of former US President Barack Obama appeared online, showing him saying things he never actually said. Showing things he never actually said. Reality. AI technology was used to manipulate his voice and facial expressions. Impact. Deep fakes can be used for political manipulation and misinformation. Fifth example, WhatsApp fake messages in India, 2018. Fake claim. Messages circulated on WhatsApp falsely warned people about child kidnappers. Kidnappers in different villages. Reality. No such kidnappings were happening. No such kidnappings were happening. Impact. Several innocent people were attacked or killed by mobs due to fear and panic. Sixth example, fake celebrity deaths. Example, rumors spread on social media, falsely claiming that actors like Jackie and Tom had died. Reality. These celebrities were alive and the news was completely false. Impact. Fans panicked and misleading websites gained attention for clicks. Seventh example, the Blue Whale Challenge hoax 2017. Fake claim. A deadly online game was convincing teenagers to harm themselves. Reality. There was no confirmed proof that such a game existed on a large scale. Impact. Created unnecessary fear among parents and schools. Eighth example, fake political quotes. Example, quotes wrongly attributed to famous leaders like Abraham Lincoln saying, very important, saying, don't believe everything you read on the internet just because there's a picture with a quote. Reality. Very important. Reality. Lincoln lived in the 19th century. In the 19th century, when the internet didn't exist. Impact. Misinformation spreads and influences public opinions. Ninth example, fake weather warnings. Fake weather warnings. Example, during hurricanes or natural disasters, fake alerts circulate on social media. Reality. Many of these messages are made up to cause panic. Impact. People take unnecessary precautions or ignore real warnings. Or ignore real warnings. 10th example, Russia-Ukraine war 2022 to present. Fake claim. Videos and photos from old conflicts. Videos and photos from old conflicts were shared, claiming to be from Ukraine. Reality. Many images were taken from past wars or video games. Impact. Created confusion and manipulated public perception. 10 strategies to deal with misinformation and fake news. The first one, verify the source.
ਤੁਰ ਗਏ ਯਾਰ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਾਨੀ ਵਤਨ ਚੁੱਕ ਮੁਹਾਰਾ ਉਜੜੀ ਬਸਤੀ ਯਾਰੋ ਨਜ਼ਰੀ ਆਵੇ ਕੰਡ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਦ ਯਾਰਾਂ